This apartment is located at 320 East 42nd Street, New York 10017, Woodstock Tower. This is a studio apartment of 24.4 square meters, and the client just bought over this apartment and they want to convert to minimalist style of the space. The existing apartment has very decorative furniture and lack of minimalist style. Decorative furniture in a small space makes the space look small, and clean and minimalist is the solution to max out the function of the space. And this is the existing floor plan. And the kitchen is pretty small. The client requests to enlarge it. So here is the new floor plan. The kitchen is enlarged with a long kitchen counter for dining space. The living sofa location is mirrored and I've included a TV console. The space is adequate for a mezzanine for a new bed space. And in the living area, the bed is elevated to the ceiling and can be lowered if required. In this interior, we are welcomed by a huge wardrobe, and to the kitchen and living area, I'm using vertical parallel lines to interact with the user psychologically for the spaciousness. They can be used to hide the wall railing of the elevated bed too. So these are the demo animation of the space. The coffee table is hidden under the bedside table to increase space. I've also added in bay window seating with plenty storage underneath. The overall material I'm using are bright wood texture with vertical grain, again to increase the space psychologically. The TV console are placed on the platform to hide LED strip underneath to add continuous clean line throughout the space. LED strips lights are also applied to the edges of the ceiling. The wall tiles for the kitchen backsplash to breaks the monotony and adds in character of the space. For the staircase to the mezzanine is very minimalist without handles. And for the mezzanine, I'm using all the same wood texture materials to simplify the space. The philosophy behind this design is to enlarge the space by using one wood texture materials and transform the space using ready-made technology. Hope this video is beneficial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.